Hello everybody, welcome back. Right, where do I start? Maggie. Back before Corona was the big thing, I went out Norfolk coast and did another trip around the peaks and up to Whitby and everything. I promised I'd look at my van and it never happened. The weather's been great, but we haven't been allowed to go anywhere. And I didn't just want to film this outside my house on the street because I want to make it a little bit cinematic if possible. I don't think my terrace house is going to make the best viewing. So we're allowed out a little bit further now. Fishing. The rod's in. Fishing out the van, no more bivvy setups. Yeah, it's awesome. Makes it a lot easier. Right, well, the thing we're here for is the van, so let's take a look inside. So, there we go, that's better. Towel, yeah, get wet in the water. The shelf, put that in, extending the one that comes as standard. I've got a mirror, but I can't really use it because of my curtains. I'm still yet to cut them out, I'm just lazy. But these are quite a cool addition, just somewhere to lob a waterproof coat or wind layer or anything really. Just want to keep it out of the way and stop it sliding around. The vlog setups, mounts. Obviously, we also got this, a cheap, what do you call it, CB radio, which does connect into the cigarette socket, but I'd like to wire that into something properly. Yeah, install the controls down here. That's about it for the front, nothing too exciting in there really. Let's go inside. So yeah, this is my bed. Ooh. This is the backrest. It also makes up part of the bed. I've got all my bottom sheet and stuff on. This frame here just pulls out to this cabinet here. Makes a full-size single. But while I'm fishing, I just use it as the sofa. There's enough room there to sleep on it, and I can easily then get out and catch a fish in the night if I should get one. I could really do with a step to get in here. Ooh, just bear with me. Here we are. Now it is a little bit dark at the minute, but we have lights. Ta-da! There we go. Not made too much difference because it is daylight. Right, it's a bit of a mess in here, you have to forgive me. Fishing and all. The shelf. That's where I keep all my clothes, underwear, warm layers and t-shirts, everything up there. Under me tackle box. This is me head end of the pillow. The head end of the pillow. This is me head end of the bed. Taking over a fishing gear. Me cabinet. I bought these little decorations. Kitchen towel. CO2. Spice rack. Mirror. There we go. Toothbrush, toothpaste, yep, spices. Obviously it's the work side, just it's a letters case, but it's just got charging cables, me English Heritage magazine. More fishing stuff. Dog poo bag, although she's not with me today. All me Other stuff lives in here. Got my stove on the top shelf. There's a basket in the bottom. Cool bag for me food. Cutlery tray. And there's like a chopping board under there as well. Yeah, got my lights up here. Got 4 in total. They're my main lights for if it's really dark and I want to do some main lights. But I've also got some LED strips. There's one just there. There's one like underneath there, you can't see it. Oh yeah, down here. Isolator, battery, reader, switches, which I've only got actually one thing connected. I've got all these redundant switches. None of them are in use. I've got these window coverings for me sliding doors. There's one on that door. This one's just tucked out of the way because I've got that door open. I've got one window covering for the back. But in the heat we've had recently, the glue, like the Velcro thing, so I Velcroed it to the window so I could take it on and off. Well, the heat's been that much, it's just melted the Velcro, and you know, I've got all that stickiness on my window now, but yeah, I need to still sort something out with them doors really. I'm still thinking about boarding this side and carpeting and then leaving that side as a window, but obviously I can have a covering for it. But yeah, it's still a work in progress, but it's at a stage now where I can use it and I just like can't be bothered. I can use it, it works, I'm happy. That's it, get out, you know what I mean? Can't be spending all time working on these things. Yeah. There's probably something I've not covered. Dream catcher, probably can't see it. Sun's too bright. Ooh. Got that from Whitby. Nice addition from my travels. Yeah, I think that's about it really. Oh, I'll take you around to the other door and I can show you like underneath my bed. So this red bag houses me ramps. I've got an electrical like hook-up thing for if I'm on a campsite. I can connect this to the site mains and get 3 sockets. Jump leads, umbrella, card jack, pump, and then there's 2 buckets there. That empty one, I think I don't know what I put in there. I've got a 12-pack of copper burg, look, bless you. The end crate's just got my quilt in. And the reason for this extra long board at my head end of the bed is this is where my electrics live. The battery, split charge, earth, the fuse panel, still a work in progress. Like I say, it's not actually completed yet, so the wires do still need tidying up. I've still got plans of wiring other things to them switches, so I don't want to tie it all off tight to the sides and then end up with another thing to put in and have to take it all out again. So it's safe enough, it doesn't go anywhere, so yeah, awesome. It's like you knew I was filming. Oh, Dan's into a carp. Don't lose it now, Dan, you're on camera. Might want to tighten that clutch up a little. No pressure, but my viewers want to see a catch. Ooh, going in, it's cold. Up to me shins in it. Where is it, bro? I'll leave my net here and you work it in here. Ooh, no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. That's just silly. You keep reeling. Bully, bully, bully. Yeah, man. Lovely. Bless you.
Sweet. Thank you.
Look at that. Especially for you. Awesome. Dan got a fish. Top lad. For camera as well when I was filming. Can't get any better than that. But just before I sign off, I was going to show you something else on the van before he caught. And that was the ramps. Because I'm actually using them there. They're like stepped ones. I did have some little ramps which were just like triangles sort of thing. Wedges, whatever. But these step ones go a bit higher, don't take up that much more room. And yeah, just damn sight better. If you watched this far, thank you very much. Thanks to everyone for liking, commenting and subscribing to my channel. Really means a lot. Awesome. Hopefully restrictions lifting, we're getting out more. As well as these little things, I'll hopefully get back to the peaks or even further. So, till next time, goodbye.